Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about CSS background property. So we can use the CSS background property and we can add one image as the background to one element. Like an example, we're gonna create one div and now we're gonna select the div and we're gonna add some border of 1 pixel, solid red, and we're gonna add some padding of 100 pixel. And now to add one image as the background of the div element, we can use the background image property. And now we have to specify the source of the image like flower.png. So you can see the image is too large, so we're gonna use the background size property. We're gonna add the size of 50 pixel. And now we can use the background position property and we can specify the position of our image. So we want our image to appear in the right bottom corner. And also we can use the background repeat property and we can specify whether we wanted our image to repeat or we do not want our image to repeat. So we can use the no repeat property and we can prevent our image from repeating. So you can see we have specified our image to be used as the background, and also we have specified the size of the image and the position of the image, and also we can specify whether we want it to repeat our image or do not want it to repeat our image. And also we can use multiple images as the background, so we have to use the comma and then we have to specify the URL of another image like flower_on.png. And also we have to specify the position, so we are gonna use comma and then we want our second image to appear in the top left corner. So you can see our second image is appearing in the top left corner. And also we can use the background repeat, so we're gonna use the comma and we do not want our image to repeat, so we're gonna use no repeat property. So this way we can use multiple images as the background. And also we can specify all of these property in just one shorthand background property. So first of all we have to specify the URL like flower.png, and after that we have to specify the position of the image like right bottom, and then we have to specify whether we want it to repeat or do not want it to repeat our image. So we're gonna use no repeat. So you can see our image is appearing in the bottom right corner. So we use the background size property and we can specify the size of the background image. So the size can be in pixel, or also we can use the background size as content. So whenever we use the background size as content, then our image will be content inside the div container. And you can see the image is well content inside the container, and also some area of the container is not occupied by the image. But whenever we use the background size as cover, then the image will cover the entire region of the container. So you can see the image is scaled to cover the entire region of the div container. So for now we're gonna use the background size as content. And next we have the background origin property. So the background origin property is used to specify where the background image is positioned. So it can have the value as border box, and this will start the image from the upper left corner of the border. And also it can have the value as padding box, so this will start the image from the upper left corner of the padding edge. And also it can have the value as content box, and this will start the image from the upper left corner of the content. And also we can use the background clip property. So the background clip property specifies the painting area of the background, so it can also have the value as border box, then the background is painted to the outside edge of the border. And also we can use padding box, and now the background is painted outside edge of the padding, and also it can have the value as content box, and now the background will be painted within the content box. So this is the way we can use the background property, and we can use one image as the background of an element, and also we can specify the position of our image, and also we can specify whether to repeat or not to repeat our image, and also we can use the background size property, and we can specify the size of the background image. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.